Streaming 4K videos used to be a challenge, but thanks to 5G, ultra-high-definition content is now at your fingertips. Whether you're watching your favorite movies or playing immersive games, 5G makes it smoother, faster, and more reliable. But how do you make sure you're getting the most out of your 5G connection? Today, we'll share 5 simple yet powerful tips to enhance your 4K streaming experience with 5G. Let's dive in. To fully enjoy 4K streaming on a 5G network, having the right device is crucial. Not all devices are optimized for 4K content or 5G speeds. Make sure you're using devices that support 4K resolution and are 5G compatible. For instance, phones like the iPhone 14 or Samsung Galaxy S21 are built to handle both 4K streaming and 5G bandwidth seamlessly. Even smart TVs now come with built-in 5G support for uninterrupted streaming. Check for features like HDR and refresh rates. The higher, the better. These can significantly improve your streaming quality and reduce lag. Pro tip: if you're using an older device, consider upgrading to one that supports the latest 5G and video standards. This will ensure you get the most out of both your 5G connection and 4K content. Even though 5G is fast, there are still ways you can optimize your connection to ensure smooth 4K streaming. Start by testing your 5G speed using apps like Ookla Speed Test. For 4K content, you'll want speeds of at least 25 Mbps, though higher speeds are recommended to avoid buffering. Positioning matters too. If you're indoors, make sure you're close to windows or avoid areas with heavy interference like thick walls. For outdoor streaming, being closer to a 5G tower will guarantee faster speeds. Many 5G carriers are also rolling out M-Wave technology, offering even higher speeds in urban areas. Pro tip check: if your service provider offers network prioritization for 4K streaming. Some 5G plans give better bandwidth to specific apps or services, ensuring high-speed access. Tip 3. Use data-saving features to maximize bandwidth. 4K streaming can be data-hungry. Even with 5G, it's important to manage your bandwidth usage. Many streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus now offer options to optimize data use without sacrificing quality. Go to your app settings and look for data-saving or adaptive streaming features. These settings adjust the quality dynamically, ensuring a smoother experience during times of heavy network congestion while still delivering great visuals. Pro tip: if you're streaming on a mobile device, take advantage of download options. This way, you can preload 4K content and watch without using your 5G bandwidth. Tip 4. Choose the right 5G plan for streaming. Not all 5G plans are created equal. To fully enjoy 4K streaming, you'll need a plan with unlimited data or high data caps, as streaming in 4K can consume up to 7 GB per hour. Before you sign up for a 5G service, make sure your plan supports the kind of high bandwidth use required for continuous 4K playback. Look for plans offering high priority access to 5G networks, especially during peak times. Some carriers also provide specific streaming bundles, giving you access to major platforms like Netflix or Disney Plus without impacting your data usage. Pro tip: always check the fine print for data throttling policies. Some providers may slow down your connection after you hit a certain data threshold, which can ruin your streaming experience. Tip 5. Optimize app and streaming settings for 4K. Last but not least, make sure your streaming app is set up to take full advantage of 4K and 5G. Head into the settings of apps like Netflix or YouTube and select Maximum Quality or 4K UHD. Many apps default to lower resolutions, especially when mobile, so this simple setting change can significantly boost your viewing experience. Also, enable hardware acceleration where possible, so your device works smarter, not harder, while streaming. This can save battery life and improve performance, making sure you never miss a moment in crisp 4K. Pro tip: keep your streaming apps updated. New updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that enhance streaming quality, especially on 5G networks. There you have it. With these 5 simple tips, you can make the most out of your 5G connection and enjoy seamless 4K streaming, whether you're at home or on the go. Are you already using 5G to stream in 4K? Let us know your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Hit that like button if this video helped, and share it with friends who love 4K streaming. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on making the most of your 5G tech.